Welcome to the Elms in the heart of Ridgefield, Connecticut. This 5-bedroom custom condominium, known as the Water Tower, is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece reflecting transitional design and top-quality construction. There is truly nothing like it in the area, nor is there the opportunity to build something as special as this in downtown Ridgefield. The open concept space includes reclaimed wood beams, sliding barn doors, and unique finishes such as textured wall coverings and custom flooring. Top-shelf custom cabinetry and professional appliances join gorgeous granite counters and open shelving to create a bright and breezy kitchen open to the spacious rear deck. The fabulous mudroom with custom features offers access to the 2-car garage, and a half bath showcases exquisite taste with textured tile and a custom vanity. A tucked-away, private office provides a very hip environment in which to work. Beauty married to function continues into the master suite with a crisp and clean master bath, dressing room, as well as an extraordinary private sitting room with a fireplace and vaulted ceiling. The 2 additional bedrooms on this level are quite spacious and have access to a modern bath. The 3rd floor does not disappoint, with 2 more bedrooms, an additional full bath, a games room, and a unique media room, complete with a custom rug and built-in couch. Walk to everything Ridgefield has to offer, including concerts in Ballard Park, award-winning schools, plenty of cultural offerings, and a vibrant downtown. This is maintenance-free living at its best. It's also a quick 1-hour commute to Manhattan. For more information about the Water Tower at 500 Main Street, visit our website at carlamurtaugh.com.